5 ways to invest in your sleep. Let's face it, without a good night's sleep, you're not yourself the next day. Any day can be ruined by mood swings, foggy thinking, inability to focus, or simply feeling drained. If you're having restless or even sleepless nights and sleep better in your resort-quality hammock than in your bed, it's time to take action. While there are numerous best practices for falling and staying asleep, we wanted to discuss a few things you should invest in to ensure that you get as much quality sleep as possible. Number 1. A quality mattress. A mattress has a significant impact on how well and how long you sleep. However, it appears that many people are more concerned with the price of a bed than with the comfort and support it provides. According to Michael Bruce, a clinical psychologist better known as the sleep doctor, when it comes to mattresses, quality matters. He then said, "It's very simple. The higher priced items usually have better materials and will last longer and perform better." According to Bruce, consumers should expect to pay anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 for a great mattress. Although the initial costs of a new mattress may be intimidating, it is worthwhile to get the best mattress you can afford. Not only will a cheap bed lack the support and comfort required for a good night's sleep, but it will also not last as long, costing you more in the long run. When you consider the cost per use of a mattress, investing in a higher quality bed is a small investment in your happiness and health. Experts advise researching sleep surfaces in advance to understand the differences between spring and memory foam, reading customer reviews, and giving yourself plenty of time to test drive different options in store. He recommends lying in your starting sleep position for 7 to 10 minutes, then switching to a second common sleep position for a few minutes to get a sense of how the mattress feels. Number 2. Blackout drapes. When the first rays of sunlight enter your bedroom before you've had 8 hours of sleep, the light serves as a powerful internal cue that it's time to wake up, sending messages to the brain to suppress production of the sleep-inducing hormone, melatonin. According to Nancy H. Rothstein, founder of thesleepambassador.com, a website dedicated to raising awareness about sleep and sleep disorders, and director of Circadian Corporate Sleep Programs, which provides solutions to the issue of sleep wellness, a dark room is key to a sleep-friendly environment. Rothstein suggests draping blackout curtains over bedroom windows to prevent natural light from activating your body and causing you to wake up before you're ready in the morning. If those aren't an option, she recommends a comfortable eye mask. Blackout curtains from a specialty retailer can cost up to $100 depending on style, length, brand and design. Shop around online for the look you want at a reasonable price and look for better deals at discount retailers like Overstock.com and TJ Maxx. Number 3. A sound machine. If noises inside or outside your home wake you up at night, they may be depriving you of much needed sleep. It's not so much the sound itself that prevents sleep as it is the inconsistency of sound or silence, which is why a sound machine can help. The rhythmic sound, whether white noise or something more exotic, like a tropical thunderstorm, allows your body and mind to reach the calm state required for sleep while drowning out other noises that could potentially wake you up. There are numerous gadgets that can be placed on your bedside table, such as the $99 iHome Zenergy bedside sleep therapy machine or a $49.99 Marpac Dom Classic white noise machine. Number 4. Top-notch sheets. When it comes to bedding, consumers frequently sacrifice comfort for appearance and price. However, the sheets you select can have an impact on the quality of your sleep. A material that makes you feel too hot, for example, can keep you awake at night. When shopping for sheets, try out different thread counts and fabric compositions to see which one feels the most comfortable. Keep in mind that synthetic materials can trap heat, whereas quality cotton frequently provides the most comfortable sleeping experience. Although bedding is ultimately a matter of personal preference, Bruce recommends Pima, Egyptian cotton, or satin sheet sets and 350 thread count cotton linens. While higher thread count and premium materials cost more, quality sheet sets can be found for up to 60% off at discount retailers like TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. Sizing and fit also have an impact on how well you sleep at night. Bruce says, "You want a sheet that fits snugly, so when you or your partner move around, you won't disturb each other's sleep." He then added, "Sheets that bunch or gather can get caught up in someone's legs and tug at the other person." Don't forget to wash your sheets on a regular basis. Freshly laundered sheets make a more inviting bed, so wash your bedding weekly or keep a few different sets on hand. Number 5. A sleep tracker. A lot of devices are available to measure and evaluate consumer sleeping habits. Such sleep trackers assist you in pinpointing the specific issues you're having with getting a good night's rest, allowing you to address them more quickly. Jennifer Walters, founder of the fitness blog FitBottomedGirls.com, recommends getting a sleep tracker that also has a heart rate monitor. This will provide you with a better understanding of your sleep cycle and the quality of your sleep. A variety of products are available at various price points, such as the Fitbit Ionic smartwatch for $299.95 or Garmin's VivoSmart 3 HR activity tracker for $139.99. Prices vary between retailers, so compare prices online and look for sales or coupons to save even more.